Most people think creating ads is hard because they don't know how to edit videos. In reality, the hardest part is figuring out what to say, how to say it, and which version will actually convert to some dollars. That's where a lot of time, money, and energy get lost, especially if you're running a small business or testing products on the side. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's generate some ads. Creatify can turn a simple product page into ready-to-use video ads in minutes. Instead of starting from scratch, the platform analyzes your product, generates multiple ad variations, and builds shorts, scrolling, stopping video design for performance. This means you're not guessing what might work. You're launching ads that are structured to test, learn, and optimize quickly. What I like about Creatify is that it removes that feeling of being overwhelmed from ad creation. You don't need editing experience. And you don't need to overthink hooks, layouts, or pacing. It's built for people who want to move fast, test smarter, and focus on growing without getting stuck in the technical side of video ads. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so now we're on Creatify, AI ads that win. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. These are real ads.
Did you get that bag? This? It's the stylish graphic basketball shoulder bag from DHgate. Wait, DHgate has bags this nice? Yeah, Hold up, where did
Oh my goodness.
The colors look exactly like they did online, and they feel so comfortable on my face. I just got my new glasses from Zlual, and I am obsessed. They're super lightweight, the colors look exactly like they did online, and they feel so comfortable on my face.
That's how you make a UGC ad. That is so professional. They've worked with Comcast, Alibaba. Oh my goodness. Drift. Okay. All right. 20 million ads analyzed. Okay. They're making ads. You hear me? They're building. Look, it says built for performance. I'm going to put it to the test. Authentic UGC ads. Now, I'm constantly making ads for all my different products. They do AI shorts, batch generation, inspirational library, ad cloner, and URL to video. That's important because I put a lot of my things to my website, my merch, and I make ads out of it. Look at this. Oh my goodness. They're the real deal. They definitely work with Alibaba, Whole Life. Ooh, okay, okay. Now let's check out prices. $99 a month that's the most popular. Okay. So now look at this, $199 a month. It depends how many credits you want. You can go up to $299 a month. Just depends how many credits you want. Okay. It's compatible with platforms like Amazon. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, YouTube, Snapchat. Okay, come on, TikTok. And I tell you why it's so good to make sure it's compatible with Amazon, because if you do Amazon affiliate links, okay, that's awesome to use. Now you can make those ads and just put your affiliate link, your Amazon affiliate link in that ad. And boom, that's how you sell it. Come on, everybody's doing that on Instagram. That's what you really need to be doing. You love a certain product, show how it's used, put it together, make an ad with Creatify. Boom, you already now have your affiliate link with your ad. It's so simple. Okay, so now we're gonna make an ad from an image, okay? Share your product link to generate an image ad, okay? So now I'm going to put in Hustle Coffee, which is right here, okay? This is my own brand, my own coffee that I sell on my website, Inside Your Hustle Coffee Blends, okay? In the hustle we trust, embrace the grind, okay? So I put all the information about the coffee in, loaded that in, okay? So put the brand name, the information about it, and I put 3 images up, okay? The minimum is 3 images, 3 to 5 product images, and I picked Design Pro. Okay, so Design Pro is going to design these beautiful images so I can put them on my website to sell my coffee. Because right now, my coffee images are kind of blah. Okay, so it's going to use up some credits, and it's generating, and it generates really, really fast. So let's That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Roasted with Care in the USA. Coffee with heart, 12-ounce medium roast. It took all the information about my coffee and made it into these 4 beautiful ads. Look at these pictures. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Now I'm going to take those images, I'm going to download them, and I'm putting them on my website. You see what I mean? I don't want no plain images. You can't sell it with just plopping it down like that with a plain white background. No, I need beautiful images to portray and show what this coffee is all about, the hard work it took me to make this coffee, to get this whole packaging. It took work, and I want to display it with the images. Excellent. Let's make an AI video ad, okay? I'm going to take a link and put a product link and put it in, okay? My product is on Amazon. It's this fabulous chair that helps me so much. It helps with my posture, and they have all the information now, the product description. Now all I have to do is click on which pictures I want to use to put this ad together, okay? So now I'm selecting exactly what images I want to use. I'm selecting them. Now it's generating. I'm going to pick a 9x16 so I can put it on Instagram. I also can put it on TikTok, and I can put it as a YouTube short, right? And I'm going to say 60 seconds in English, and the target audience is going to be remote work professionals, home office workers. Okay, so I'm picking all the people, the tech industry employees, especially people who work in the office. You need a comfortable chair all day, right? So let's see if we can make this ad. Now here's the script. It already generated a script. Now let's see what kind of tone I'm going for. Pain relief. I want to help people with back pain, lower back pain, for sitting at your desk 8-10 hours a day. No, this is the chair for that, right? So now let's put this together. This is affiliate link for me. So let's do this, okay? Now the type of environment I want is an office. That's the look I'm going for. Somebody who sits in an office all day. So that's the avatar I'm looking.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify AI. This is my voice and how I sound. Allow me to deliver your message using my unique tone to your audience.
I like that. Very serious, very professional, right to the point. Let's check one more out. Let's see. All right. It's so many to choose from in the office.
I'm one of the AI avatars. Hey, welcome to Creatify. I'm one of the AI avatars that you can work with.
All right, Thomas. Let's check out. Was it Zane?
Me to deliver your message using my unique tone to your audience. Hello.
All right, Zane, I'm checking you. I'm gonna put you in now.
So I literally tested every single office chair under $500. And this one totally got rid of my chronic back pain.
All right. This is the one. I love his tone. He sounds like he might have had back pain, and I'm gonna use the credits. If you want 15 credits for standard or it's 30 credits, okay? So I want the high level standard. I don't want standard.
So I literally tested every single office chair under $500. And this one totally got rid of my chronic back pain in just 3 days. Like, I deal with constant lower back issues, and I've tried everything for years. All those crazy expensive ergonomic chairs that promise everything, but do absolutely nothing.
That's how you make an ad. You see what I'm saying? Wow. That was amazing. I couldn't have done that better than he did, than Zane. He said everything I wanted him to say to sell that chair. If you have a product, that's how you sell it. Give the facts, give the information. Be authentic. Tell what solution, how it's going to solve the problem. Have a solution. He said the chair helped him with his back, his lower back pain. And that's how you do it. And I'm telling you, this really does work. And let me tell you, if you want to do affiliates, that's how you make ads. That's how you do it. Okay, so now we're about to make an ad clone, okay? With Creatify. Now, say you do drop shipping, okay, which I do. Let's say we need to show this product and how it works. We need a reference video, okay?
These are my go-to earbuds for blocking out the noise.
All right. So we need a really successful video
Maingay ba ang paligid mo? Ito,
that's doing well. So let's check some out.
School season is almost here again, and these are the super duper hyped Sony WH-1000 XM6s, but are they actually worth it? I mean, the noise cancellation is just insane when you need some silence commuting to school after a sleepless night, or when you're cramming homework at coffee shop or grocery shopping so you don't starve.
I like that video. I like that video. I like that energy. We're going to clone this video, okay? So that's our reference. We want to make a video just like this, okay? Very similar, showing the headphones that I'm going to be using for drop shipping, okay? So I need to make an ad. Let's check this out. All right.
School season is almost here, and these are the lightweight Sony WH-CH720Ns.
But are they worth it?
The dual noise sensor tech is perfect for commuting, cramming homework, or shopping in peace. With one button, you get ambient sound if a friend stops by. Plus, multi-point connection is simple to use. Audio is natural with the SEE, and the 35-hour battery lasts for days. But trying them is believing, so visit your local Best Buy to test these and other models for true comfort. But for me, they're my top pick for back to school.
There you go. You see how easy it was to clone a video? You get a good video that's doing well as a reference video, and you clone it with your product. Look at that. That was so simple. Oh my, yo, that's it. No excuse. You can drop ship and make great videos now. Come on. If you want to stop guessing and start creating ads faster, check out Creatify. Using my link down below, you will not regret it. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Creatify. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.